View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
This is Vroomy. She drives happily out of the toy store with her new stickers.
Have new stickers. Wow, 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 beep. Hi.
Vroomy has decided to decorate her album with her new stickers.
Wow.
And a suitcase.
Huh? Oh.
Vroomy tells his sister to decorate the mirror. That's not a good idea. The mirror might get angry if the stickers leave marks, and we will not be able to look in it or see beautiful reflections. Ah, this is a mirror. It sighs very grumpily. Now Vroomy will figure it out. She loves looking at herself in the mirror in the morning.
You're scared of it. Hey. Hey. Mom is at work. What's going on? Our mirror has turned into a ghost.
Oh! We need to catch it before Mom sees it.
I can't catch it.
Bloom Boom wants to try and catch the mirror with a butterfly net.
Oh, ho, ho. What did you do to make the mirror so angry?
We don't know.
You shouldn't have put stickers on it. No, you shouldn't.
Oh.
Attention!
Huh?
We have an important job to do. We need to clean the mirror and get rid of the scary ghost. Who's going to help?
Me too.
Me too.
Everyone is working together to clean the mirror. The mirror has now stopped growling and has become much more friendly. Grandpa Ladle brought soap and sponges to wipe off all the stickers.
Mirror, it's time to go.
It did as it was told. The mirror really wants to be clean again.
What? It's good that the mirror is no longer upset.
And it's a good job Mom didn't see.
Did someone call me?
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
It's a very rainy day today. Puddles start to appear on the ground.
Puddles. Huh. What can we do while it's raining so much?
What's so funny? You can't play.
Crybaby, you're the crybaby.
No, you are the crybaby.
While Broomy and Vroomy are busy arguing, the rain has stopped.
Look, we can't go outside.
Veo, beep, beep.
Puddles!
1, 2, 3, go! Puddles. Big, deep puddles. Huh. Hey. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hoi! Puddles. I'm so sorry. Whoa. Hey, look. Huh? What? Vio. I'm a cop. I will catch the bad guy. Whoa. Stop! Police! Vio. Vio.
Broomy is all dirty. Now Broomy is chased by a bearded cop. Oh no! Broomy is in trouble. She is stuck in a big, deep puddle.
Quick, let's help.
Oh no! Now Broomy is stuck.
Why are you always playing cop? Now you need to become a tow truck. A tow truck. Yeah.
Plumey drives to the garage. He's going to find everything he needs to turn himself into a tow truck. Wise Grandpa Ladle knows it's not a good idea to leave Plumey alone with his tools. He needs to keep an eye on him.
A shovel.
The little dump truck imagined Broomy pulling himself out of the puddle with a shovel. Plumey, it's a blower. That's not what you need to help.
What kind of snowman is this?
Plumey! And now Plumey wants to be a tow truck.
Hey! A great idea! Num num num. Let's go to my auto repair shop. Here's a hook for you. Now you can be a tow truck.
At last, now Tow Truck Plumey and Grandpa Ladle can rescue Vroomy and Broomy.
Vroomy!
Attention! You need to grab the hook. Tow truck, time to pull.
Pull harder!
Well done, Plumie.
My little brother is the best tow truck.
Plumie feels so very proud of himself.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
Oh, hello? Oh, yes, sure.
Wheelzy Mama's been called into work. She's an ambulance, and ambulances always have to be ready for emergencies. That's her beacon. That's lipstick. Wheelzy Mama's painting a big red cross on herself so that everyone can see it.
Mommy, what are you doing? Good morning, Vroomy. Oh, good morning. What's going on? I'm heading to work. It's an emergency. We need to get someone to the hospital who didn't like buckling their seatbelt.
Oh.
They didn't like buckling their seatbelt? Huh, that's silly.
Yeah?
Plumie, wearing a seatbelt's fun, right?
So much fun.
Let's all play seatbelts. 1 minute.
Yeah?
Vroomy's looking for a seatbelt for her little brother. Any belt will do for this game.
Please buckle up. The bus is leaving soon.
Click, click. A safety check.
You are all buckled up. Now it's safe to go. Time for the bus to go.
Yeah. Click, click.
Click, click.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The bus is driving boom, boom around. Beep, beep, boom, boom, boom.
Oh no! Something's gone wrong. Oil's pouring out of Plume Boom right onto the floor.
Oops.
An accident.
Oh, don't cry. Everything will be okay. Oh, we need to call an ambulance. Huh? Hello? Doctor, the patient has a puddle under the body.
It's an emergency.
And please come quickly. Done. Huh. The doctor's on the way.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. What? Yuck. Oh, right. Let's paint on a cross. A doctor's on the way. Don't cry, baby. It will all be okay. There's an ambulance to take you to the hospital.
To the repair shop.
Yeah.
What? Ready?
Yes. Let's go.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep.
The Wheelzy kids have brought their little brother to the garage for a checkup.
I'm raising the lift. Did you like it?
And here's the doctor with her special medical bag.
What? Let me have a listen to you.
Vroomy's put on her stethoscope.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Vroomy, look! You need an injection!
These are my toys, and I'm the doctor, and you need an injection.
You get an injection! And you... and you...
Stop!
Down! Can't catch me! Can't catch me! What gives?
Huh? What's going on here?
She's throwing things at the hospital.
Uh-huh. I get it. You're doctors.
Yes.
And you're the patient.
Patient.
Doctors need a clean area to work in. Let's make a proper clinic. Let me get started. On the checkup.
It was you who threw it.
Because of you.
Hey, hurry up, please. I need your help. Looks like you overheated. Nurse Broomy, the thermometer, please. And you, Nurse Broomy, get something to cool his engine down.
Get it done.
Thank you. Heh, heh. Yes, you definitely overheated. We'll get you nice and cool now.
Oh, here's some coolant.
Huh? Get down. Heh. Open your mouth. Great job, doctors. Who needs treating now?
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
This is little Plumey. He's learning to drive fast.
Paints.
You don't need to cry at the table. Honey, you can use words to explain what you need.
Could I have the paints, please? Please.
Ah, now Mama understands. Here you are.
No.
You're still a little dump truck, but you can pretend to be a strong bulldozer.
Bloomy is now pretending to be a big, strong bulldozer. Now his big scoop can push the paint cans along. Grandpa Ladle is preparing a surprise for his grandson.
Look! What is this?
Crash?
Ah!
A car!
Color it! What color is it?
It's yellow.
Try again.
Yellow.
Nope. And this one?
Yellow.
Well done, Bloomy.
Bloomy's brother and sister also decided to play school.
What color is the watermelon?
The watermelon is green.
Bah, you're wrong.
Right.
No.
Yes.
Come on.
Come on. Look, the watermelon's green. I'm right.
Mommy! Mommy, can I have some watermelon, please? Nya, nya, nya. The watermelon is red.
Broomy also wants to ask his sister a difficult question.
Mom, what color is the cookie?
Well, it's brown on the outside and white in the middle.
Roomy! What color is the cookie?
Is it brown?
No, it's white.
And mine! What color is mine?
Black?
No.
White?
No.
Pink.
No. My cookie is rainbow colored. You would never guess.
Now, stop, you two. You both know so many colors, but you don't know that you shouldn't eat paint? Huh?
Hey, you can eat my paints.
What a delicious school! Red. Green. Yellow. Red.
Plumie also wants to be in Mom's school. Mom's school turned out to be the best school of all.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Roomy! Roomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day.
Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well.
The Wheelzy family.
The Wheelzy cars are returning home from a nice walk. It must have been very dirty outside. Those are muddy tire tracks.
There's a circle on the floor. How cute.
Vroomy, catch the ball.
Look, it made the circle into a flower.
Oh, I can draw you a flower too, Plumie.
It's not a circle. It's a monster. Wait.
Roomy goes to the table and takes the paint. She wants to paint a flower on her brother's drawing. But on the floor. Oh, no, no, no.
Now it looks like a flower.
Oh!
Roomy has now decided he wants to paint too.
Hey. Yeah?
Oh dear, why is he drawing green dots on himself?
Vroomy, look! I'm a big green germ. Whoa! Watch out, Plumie! I'm a nasty big germ. Whoops! Whoa!
And I'm a fun guzzling fungus.
Can you wash your
Phew! Who's been driving around with dirty tires in here? And messed all the floor with paint. Now I need to track down these hooligans. I've got them. Well, hooligans.
We're not hooligans.
We are artists. And Plumie is a big germ.
Germ. You know, germs
can be dangerous. People can get sick from bad germs.
But they don't like cleanliness.
And they don't like water.
Now we will scare them away. Let's play in the water park.
Water park. Grandpa Ladle is building a water slide for children, just like in the real water park. First, we need to connect the hose to the tap and turn on the water. Now water's pouring down the slide and is falling into a large bathtub.
Now the water park is ready to go. Who's going first?
Make way for the little one. I want more.
Who is next?
Me.
Broomy, make way for your sister.
What? Again? Oh, it's okay. Let's go together. Come on. Hold on.
Choo, 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 choo. Splash.
Well done, Plumie.
Come on, Plumie.
All the cars are now clean. Grandpa Ladle can turn off the water.
Attention! Attention! The water park is now closing. Come and visit us again tomorrow.
Closing?
You still have a job to do. You need to clean the dirty floor, sofa, and table. You need to do it quickly before Mom comes home from work.
This game will be called... Save the Dirty House. Here is what we need.
Broomy, Vroomy, and Plumie get cleaning cloths.
Blue.
What?
Blue.
Ah, yes, yes. That's right, Plumie.
Squeaky clean.
Oh, be patient, little flower.
I'm the hero of the house.
The Wheelzy cars have cleaned everything. Now the house is so clean, it's almost shining.
Wow! Look how clean it is! Someone has been working really hard in here. Who could it possibly be?
Plumie!
Me too!
Me too!
Oh, well done, everyone! Oh.
Looks like someone didn't wipe their tires.
Huh? Oops. Oh.